Namaskar, hello and welcome. In the previous video, we had already discussed about theory part of WBS. In this video, we will discuss how to create WBS in Primavera practically. The whole topic is subdivided into various parts. These are access the WBS view, add a new WBS element, define WBS element details, organize WBS structure, set WBS attributes, save changes, review and adjust. To do so, let's jump into the Primavera. Now I have already opened Primavera. Before create WBS, make sure that all opened project within the Primavera shall be closed. To do so, just click on close all button. For demonstration purpose, I had already created a project called WBS creation. See, before create a WBS, you have to open a project. Then after only, you can create WBS within that project. To do so, I select that project called WBS creation, right click on it, click on open project. Now at the top, you can see that WBS creation project has been opened. When you open a project, by default, activity windows will be opened. To create WBS, first of all, you have to open WBS window. To open WBS window, you may go to the project menu and click on WBS, or you can click on WBS icon. If it is not available in left side toolbar, please go to view menu, click on toolbar option and make sure that project icon is checked. Then after, you can go to this arrow key, click on it, click on add or remove button and check this WBS icon. Now when I click WBS icon, you can see WBS creation window will be open. To create WBS, you have to click on add button or press insert key in your keyboard. Now a WBS will be created. From this icon, you can understand that this is an WBS element. Now you can do couple of things after creation of this WBS. You can change WBS code name or WBS name by double click on it, or you can change through general tab and from these two box also. You can see that this WBS is created directly under this project. If you want to create another WBS under this project, just select that project and click on add button. If you want to create WBS within a created WBS, just select that WBS and click add button. You can change responsible manager for a particular WBS by select that WBS and click on this box. You can see this is nothing but OBS. You can select the OBS by double click on it. Remember that WBS is not a activity. For that, you cannot assign resources, start date, end date directly into the WBS. However, from this box, you can assign anticipated start and finish date into a WBS. In spite of that, when you create various activities within that WBS, the WBS start date and finish date shall be governed by the start and finish date of those activities. If you want to reposition of an particular WBS, just select that WBS and click on those icons. Now you can see that the position of selected WBS become changed and it goes directly under the project. Now I am going to create couple of WBS. The selected WBS is called first level of WBS, as the position of this WBS is directly under the project. These are called the intermediate level of WBS. In this particular case, this WBS called last level of WBS. In this way, various level of WBS is being created in Primavera. If, as per your project requirement, you need to create this WBS again and again, you just select those WBS by click on a particular WBS, press the shift key and then click on last WBS. Right click on it, copy it, then select the project where you want to paste it, right click on it and paste it. Click OK. You can do this under any particular WBS also. To do so, select the WBS, right click on it and paste it. Now you can see that this WBS has been copied under this WBS. By doing this, you can save lots of time for creation of similar type of WBS. In this regard, it is also stated that you can create or modify WBS within WBS windows only. You cannot do this in activity windows, though the created WBS will be seen through activity windows also. To see it, jump into the activity windows. If this is shown blank, go to layout option, click on group and sort button, click on group by option, press W, select WBS, click OK. Now you can see that all newly created WBS will be shown in activity windows also. You cannot modify the WBS name or WBS property through this window. Now, if I change the WBS name here, it will be automatically reflect in activity windows also. You can see it from here. Now, if you want to change the view of newly created WBS, go to Layout tab, go to Show on Top, click on Chart View. Now you may share this information by taking printout with your project manager or stakeholders for review and finalization. To do so, go to File menu, click on Print and press OK. If this detail bar is not appear in your window, just right click on this area and make sure that this box is checked. If you want to delete a WBS, just select that WBS and click on delete icon or press delete button from your keyboard. Remember that if you delete this WBS, all sub WBS under this WBS will be deleted, and also delete those activities which are assigned under that WBS. So before deleting any WBS, please recheck it properly. Now, if I delete this WBS, you can see that all WBS assigned under that WBS has been deleted. Now, after discussion with your project manager or concerned stakeholder, you may finalize your WBS. Then after, you can assign activity with the respective WBS. In this regard, it is also stated that the activity can be assigned directly to the project and also within any level of WBS. Means you can add activity directly into this WBS, this WBS, this WBS also. That will be explained in detail during activity creation video. This is all about WBS in Primavera. In the next video, we will discuss about activities in Primavera. धन्यवाद.